Hey friends, welcome to another video. This video is about the updates from the KTM on its 2024 lineup. The Austrian motorcycle manufacturer KTM has updated its MY24 RC range, which includes the RC390, RC200 and RC125 for global markets. While the mechanical aspects of these models remains unchanged, KTM has introduced new color options, which are actually anticipated to reach the Indian markets pretty soon. The company states that these fresh color and graphic updates draw inspiration from previous prototypes and the current factory racing color combinations. Now, starting with the top tier category, the 2024 KTM RC390, it gets two new color schemes, orange on blue and orange on black. Both variants feature distinct orange frames, with the orange on black variant also sporting orange rims. The motorcycle retains its 373.27cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, delivering 42.9 bhp and 37 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox. Now moving on to the RC200, the 2024 KTM RC200 gets two new color schemes, blue with orange accents and a black and white model. The black and white design draws inspiration from the RC8C. It adds to its aesthetic appeal. The 200cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine remains unchanged on this version, which produces 25 bhp power and 19 Nm of torque. This model also has a 6-speed gearbox. Now moving on to the entry-level KTM RC125. The 2024 KTM RC125 introduces a fresh black and orange and blue and orange color combinations. Both options feature gloss black wheels and frames, complemented by dark tinted screens to enhance the color highlights. The powering of the KTM RC125 remains the same at 124.7cc liquid-cooled engine generating 14.34 bhp and 12 Nm of torque. And it also has a 6-speed gearbox. Alright folks, that was a very quick update with the upcoming RC390, RC200 and RC125 new color combinations for 2024. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to this channel for similar sort of updates, and you all have a great day ahead.